Ulitin mo, Tin.
Ano yan ang kasi? Malakas. Wait lang po ah. Wala ba? Excited. Hello. Antayin po namin yung prayer. Pray po pala by Justin Bieber. Actually, matagal na po yan. Yan na po. Para po kami sa Diyan ko wala si, si Tin. Siya po yung kasama ko magbaliw-baliw. Hello, kabudoy. Siya po yung kasama ko magbabaliw-baliw. Tapos, lang po, hinintay lang po namin mag-loading. Agad po kasi. Crispy!
Oo naman, kasi tumakali.
Bakit get load na naman?
Sino yan si Berbin?
Bakit naman talaga, oh. And I pray, I just can't sleep tonight. Knowing that it's been right. It's in the river, it's on the TV, it's everywhere that I go. Children are crying, children are dying, people don't have a home. But I know there's sunshine behind the rain. I know there's good times behind the pain. Hey, and tell me how I can make a change. I close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and pray. I close my eyes and I can see a better day. Close my eyes and pray. No one can start. It's laid on me. To make a difference, and it's starting today. Cause I know there's sunshine behind the rain. I know there's good times behind the pain. Hey, help them tell me I can make a change. And I can see you there. I close my eyes and pray. I close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and I pray for the broken hearted. I pray for the lives pray for all the ones lost. Pray for the souls that need a friend. Nag-loading song. Someone tell me how to make it tonight. And I can see a better day. I close my eyes and you close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and don't technical po. Ayun na po, sasapin namin yung alamin video naman. Tapos na po yung video namin. Ano po magustuhan yung kasunod. Ayun po. Tapos, bakit Justin Bieber niya may Justin Bieber saan po gawin? Sige po. Bye! Bye, we're going. Dito pa ba?
For 6 minutes siya.